Hi travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thanks for joining in. If this is your first video, consider subscribing. You can hit the button down below. It really helps out my channel. I share travel videos and resort tour videos basically throughout the week. So please subscribe and you'll see all my videos. Now for today's video, I'm going to share with you a room tour and a pool view of the Secrets Cap Cana in the Dominican Republic. This is an adults only, all-inclusive resort, one of my favorite resorts in Cap Cana and Dominican Republic. So check out what the room is like and we'll catch you in a little bit. This is a room tour of the Secrets Cap Cana. This is a preferred club junior suite room and features a king-size bed, and like most secret resorts in this category, there is a nice seating area with a sofa and a little table there, and as you can see, the welcome amenity is a bottle of sparkling wine and some fruit. There's also a nice desk area that you can use if you needed to do a little bit of work while you're away. And heading out to the patio, you are going to see the stunning view. Now this is an ocean view room, so you do get a decent view of the ocean. Obviously it is a little bit obstructed with palm trees, but as you can see, a great view of the pool and the ocean on there as well. Some of those buildings down below are just some of the restaurants and bars available. There is a swim up bar at this resort. And this is the view from the patio off of the room. We were on the third floor when we stayed here. So great view. As you can see, the water is like a turquoise blue. It's like the same color as the pool. It's hard to tell the difference sometimes, but there's a great infinity pool at the front, and then there is a main activity pool available. They do some aerobics and different exercises in there throughout the day. Definitely some games as well. That's a bit more of the party pool. I guess you can see them doing aerobics there right now. But there is also other pool areas where it's very quiet, so you can always find a nice secluded area. And as you can see as well, lots of umbrellas, so you can still get you can get a lot of shade there. And even on the beach, there's lots of umbrellas and palapas available, so you're never fighting for a spot at the Secrets Cap Cana, that's for sure. And coming back into the room, you can see the little seating area with the welcome amenity, a king-size bed, and we'll just come over to the bathroom. There is a shower only in this category of room, but it's a nice big shower, big rain head, and there is lots of closet space as well. And coming in here is the basically a separate water closet, bathroom, water closet, shower. And all right, as you can see, that is a great looking room, very relaxing resort. Had a great time in this. It's adult only, like I said, and you'll really enjoy staying at the Secrets Cap Cana. The beach in Cap Cana is stunning. So if you did have any questions about this resort, all of my contact information is down below. You can reach me by email, and you can also, if you wanted to, leave a comment and I will get back to you that way as well. And again, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. You'll get to see more travel videos and it helps support the channel. So you can click the button below, and in the meantime, before my next videos come out, you can watch these ones.